Yo, what's good, everybody? We back with another video. I gotta be a little bit quiet because it's early in the morning, but we got my car here today and we about to go do some fancy things with my boy SC Drip. Y'all haven't seen him in a while, but y'all know he got the camo wrap on the SE. That joint nice. That joint fire. So y'all already know why I'm here. We go get my car wrapped today. So we got my wrapping stuff in the trunk. We about to clean her up, get it all nice and dandy. All right, so we got everything taped out. Now we about to try to line it up. So y'all, this is a partial wrap right now. So we ain't finished the other side yet, but we did one side so far. I gotta go to work, so therefore we had time. We had to cut time short. But that joint came out nice, you know. We did a good job. Got them air bubbles out. We put the second part of it on. So this is reflective, so this will shine. And this is also reflective. So at nighttime, whenever a light hit it, it'll flash back and look real nice. Make sure you subscribe to his Instagram and also his YouTube channel as well. He got some real big things planned coming soon. All right, so this one was a long process. It didn't take that long, but it was a little bit harder than the other side because this was a little bit older than the other one. So I had to order a second piece because the first piece that I tried to put on a while ago didn't fit. So this is like the original piece that I ordered with the other piece, but that one messed up, so I had to order another piece to put on. So that one's a little bit more new, so that one was a little bit easier than this one. This one was been rolled up for a little bit longer, so it was kind of hard for everything like go on there, but we did a good job. Shout out to my boy SC Drip. Oh, subscribe to his channel, Life of JR. Yep. You got some big things coming. But nah, that didn't look clean. You can see the reflective in the camera. I'm blocking with the shadow and stuff, but you can see it in the camera. That didn't look crazy.